Yeah, hi. So my name is Shiben. I am from 88 Games. 88 Games is a part of 88 Pictures. And 88 Pictures is a very big Indian animation house. We do a lot of good content which you can see on Netflix and Amazon Prime and other OTTs. And we have just launched 88 Games yesterday. It is there in the other media magazines as well. And this is our first game, Kapi. It's about what the motivations of a common kid at the time of the legends of Ramayana would be. We always hear stories from the point of view of the heroes or the leaders, right? But what about the followers? Like, what is a common person thinking at that time? So that's what this game is all about. A common kid's motivations and inspirations. Like, why will that kid join the Vanar Sena and go alongside Hanuman to fight for a cause? What is their motivation? So that was the game is all about. The game itself is a shooter platformer. It plays very similar to a game like Contra. We all have played Contra. As kids, we have played that. So it plays very similar to that. That's one of the main inspirations. And it is a couch co-op. Two people can sit together and play together exactly like how you and your brother or your friends would sit together when you were kids and playing it. So that's something you can do in this game. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you.